Hi guys, today we will discuss about the line chart and car chart. Okay, so let's start now. So basically a line chart shows the data in the form of a line. It is used when we have to show the continuous data graphically, or it is useful for visualization trend over the time. Okay, so this is the visualization of line chart. Just click here. Okay, so as you can see, this is the line. By clicking here, you can see x-axis, y-axis, and secondary y-axis and legend. Okay, so what we will do, we can take, as I told you, it's a continuous data. So we need to take order date. We will take on y-axis here. Okay, so this is the order date. Now we can take sales. Actually, we want to analyze the sales over the period of time. So we can take sales here. Okay, so y-axis. Okay. So now you can see year-wise, year-wise sales. Year-wise 2018, 2019, 2020. But one thing, there is a problem in this visualization. Data is very compact form. Okay, so we cannot take any insight from this visualization. So what we can do, just click here, data hierarchy, and we can remove day, month, and quarter if we want to analyze the data over the year. So we can analyze data here. In 2017, sales was 8069794. In 2018, 2019, 2022. So make this visualization in better way. We can do one thing. Just go here and click on data labels. Okay, open data labels. We can convert these data labels in thousands. Okay, so you can see here. So this is the sales over the year, uh, from 2017 to 2022. Okay, along with it, what we can do that, we can take cost. Click here. Mhm. Your visualization. Just click cost. Take in y-axis. Okay, so now you can see. So both lines shows data different. Uh, first line, first line shows for the sales. This is the sum of sales, and this is the sum of the cost. So actually, there is a very less difference between the both lines. So we can analyze the difference between the sales and cost by visualization only. Okay, so let's explore grid lines. Click grid lines. If you want solid grid lines, you can change the color. Now you can see grid lines. This is the horizontal grid lines. If you want vertical, you can do black and solid. Okay, so this is the solid. If you want in dots, you can convert in dots. You can convert in solid. You can convert in dashes. Okay, and lines, you can also change the color of lines. So if you want if you want sum of cost green, okay, and sum of sales is red. Okay, so by this you can convert the color of the lines. And marker, with the help of marker, you can see the points here, and you can change the type of these markers. If you want like this plus plus plus, you can convert in plus plus plus. Here you can see green line, okay, and you can also decide the color of markers in black. So now the markers is very good in visual. Data labels, we have discussed data tables, so we can we can increase the font size, we can decrease the font size, we can make bold, we can change the color as per our need. And display unit, we can show in thousands, we can show, although we can show in millions, billions, trillions. Okay, background, by background, opening the background, you can change the background color. I would like to change it. Okay, and do the transparency 0. and color. Color is red. Okay. Now what I will do, I will go to the units, display, auto positions, data labels, and I will change the color to white. Okay. Now it's white visual. Okay. Series label. By clicking on series label, you can change the spacing series label, and we can make of it plot background area. With the help of plot background area, you can take any visual inside the graph as per your organizational need. Zoom slider. By zoom slider, you can see you can visualize the graph by sliding it. And with the help of x-axis, this is the continuous, this is the range. So Power AI is intelligent enough, so do not disturb the ranges. It takes automatically. If it is required, you can take. So journal, we can change the title of the graph. So cost versus sales. So we can increase the size of. We can make it bold. So we can take it to center. Effects, background. Or you can change the backgrounds of the visualization. You can keep blank. So visual border, while you opening it, you can visualize. You can increase the border size. Shadow, why shadow? You can see the shadow now. Okay, we have discussed the title. We have discussed the effects and properties. Height, width. So we can change the height, width of graph from here. But I don't think so. It is required by making the movement from here. You can also change the size and width here. Now let's go to the further analysis to your visuals. By clicking here, or you can use a trend line. So you can see the trend line here, and you can also take minimum line. You can also take a minimum line. Here is the minimum line, and you can change the color of minimum line black, or if you want in red. Okay, and you want solid or dotted. You can decide as per your need. Data labels. You can also take data labels to the minimum lines. In the same way, we can do max line, average line, median line, and percent line, and error bar graph. Okay, now let's explore another visual that is called card. Okay, so card basically you can take some sales. You can take here. So now you can see the total amount of sales here, and by changing this, you can call out value. You will go to call out value. You can change the units in K. Okay, you can make it bold. You can increase size, decrease size from here. In category level, this is the category level sum of the sales. So you can want to on or off. You can do as per your need. I will show you how to do it. So let's change the title. Yeah. This is the sum of sales. Make it bold. Let's change the color here. No, no, no. Let's make it white and change the background color of visual so like this and do this. Effects, if you want background effects, you can make it like that. Yeah. Now problem is that the sum of sales is written two times here. Okay. So what I will do, just click here, just click on format your visuals and category label of it. Okay. So now it seems fine. The same way you copy and paste here. If you want to take the sales cost here, cost, okay. Now it's a cost. One thing you can add one slider here. Okay, so this is the slicer. I'm selecting one slicer here. Okay, and I will take here as a order date. Okay, order date, an order date, and slicer setting. We go between. We'll just do the vertical list. Okay, but I will do one thing. Actually, these are the dates, so I'm not interested in these dates. So I will do one thing. Just go to the data hierarchy. Okay, just click here. Now you can see the dates in very organized way: 2017, 2018, 2019, and 20. So if you want analyze the what is the sum of the sales in this area, what is the sum of sales in 2018, what is the sum of sales. So you can see the dates are data labels are getting changed in every result. Okay, and you can also select 2017 and press Control and click on 2018. You can see the data labels for 2 years. The same way you can analyze for 3 years. Okay, by clicking here you can filter out it. Here by clicking here you can filter out it. So let's design in much better way. I will do one thing to slicing. So I can play with filters by doing visualization here. Values, if you want black, okay, great. You can increase size, decrease the size of header. I keep it 13 and you can increase the size here. You can select bottoms, border. So I will select top, bottom, left, and right. Okay, and I will change the color as this way. Line width, you can increase the width line as per your need. Background, if you want to change the background of slicer, you can change the background this way. Okay, now it's quite good. Okay, so by clicking this, you can analyze the difference. And if you want for the entire video, just remove the filter.